Shorts are YouTube's way to compete with TikTok and other popular mobile apps that have videos 15 seconds or less. Instagram Reels being another example of this. YouTube Shorts technically need to be videos that are 60 seconds or less. You can create a short directly by recording one on your smartphone with the YouTube app, or use your smartphone and the app to create a short from a video that you've already published. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how to create a short from a video that I've already published. It's just a more deliberate way to show you some of the free tools available. So right now I'm going to go onto my Free State Horror Stories Paranormal YouTube channel. I'm looking at this on my phone and on the app, and I'm going to click on the video that I want to edit into a short. So I'm taking a long form video and editing this into a short. You can see right away it crops it into the popular tall vertical aspect ratio. I'm able to play with free tools and add new wrinkles to this video, such as text, a voiceover. I can trim the video or do other video editing features on a timeline. I can also add filters to it. And so you can see right here, I'm just teasing my video series by writing watch episodes of Free State Horror Stories. As with any YouTube video, you want to continue best practices when it comes to writing a description, writing a proper headline so YouTube knows who to target this video to. You can also use hashtags. A good hashtag for shorts are just short or shorts, plural or singular. Pick one of those. You can also test them out against each other and see which does better on your channel among a few videos. I can also add the location, just like with the tools with other YouTube videos. Make sure that I am clicking the visibility to be public. Once you publish this, you can see it on your YouTube channel under the Shorts section, and you're going to get greater visibility with people flipping through their phones, looking at YouTube and looking for some popular short videos.